Good morning and welcome to another video, and I am the scrap jockey. So we got some stuff in the truck and we're going out. We're going to pick up a couple electric motors, a bike. Some people called me and to pick up their scrap. So I figure, what the heck, you know, the main reason that we do scrapping is because we want to save the environment. You know, you make a few bucks doing it and it's fun. I mean, you know, if you're a couch potato and you want to get out and do something physical and you don't have anything to do physically, scrap, because you know you're always lifting, you're moving, you're getting in and out of your car. It's a health benefit.
1/4 of a mile.
So scrapping is actually a health benefit. It'll do you good to go out and scrap. You know, just drive around on garbage day and pick up and take it to the scrap yard. And get a couple of bucks. It really doesn't matter if you make a lot of money doing it, because, you know, I mean, if you need the money, hey, you got a couple extra bucks. Even if you don't have a pickup truck, that's the GPS. Just take what you can fit in your car, in your trunk. You could always take the back seat out of your car, and that'll give you a lot more room in your car to pick stuff up. So we're on our way to pick up a couple of things, some chairs and a motor, and we'll see you back there. Okay guys, first pick of the day, we got this air conditioner, TV, and that fan. So let's get that onto the truck. All right, so we picked up this condenser, these springs, a fan, more springs, and these rotors. And this coffee pot looks like it's pretty good. It just needs a cord, and that air conditioner, I'm gonna strip that down. All right, see you on the next one. All right guys, so we came here for this motor. Yeah, it's a pretty good one. It's pretty heavy. It's got a lot of, not too much copper,
I'm gonna scrap it just like that. Put this over here, and they have a razor. There's aluminum on here, and this is mixed metals. I mean, you could technically take this apart. So they said there was a pile of scrap back here. Wheelbarrow. This stuff's all buried. I don't know if I want to dig through all this, see if there's anything I can grab quickly. Paint. So we got this so far. This is just lightweight metal. Oh, we have some tools. Ryobi. Stuff. So it looks like we have an air conditioner. Okay, the AC unit was stripped out, so I'm not going to go ahead and dig all this out. So all of it is a scrap. See what else is easy accessible here. This works, more tools. Whew. All right, so we got a pretty good find here. We got that wheelbarrow, and we got some batteries like this, and we got some cords. We got a nice coffee pot, snow shovel, and something to clean the snow off with. So we're doing pretty good. All right, these little kids chairs. All right, you guys are coming with me. All right, guys, so we found this Biodex. Actually, somebody called me to pick this up. Now, it looks like this is real heavy. So I'm gonna flip it over and see what's underneath. Okay, so that's what this entails. That motor, that aluminum, all of that, I'm gonna take all that out, and this should be a lot lighter to get in the truck. All right, so we got the motor out, we got this out. This is all copper in here. I'm just gonna scrap it like that. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna flip it back over and try to break it down so I can get it in the truck, because it's pretty big. Hey guys, I'm at Federal Metals in South Plainfield, New Jersey. I'm about to get on the scale. And we're gonna dump here. This is a new scrap yard. I haven't been here before. It's right by where I picked up that treadmill. So let's get weighed in and get to the dump. All right, guys, so here's the payout. This was from Federal Metals and Alloys in Clinton Avenue, South Plainfield. I don't think they paid a lot. So my total was like almost $64. So aluminum copper rads, I had 10 pounds at 70 cents a pound. That was $7. Electric motors, 96 at 10 cents a pound. I got $9.60 a pound. Heavy iron, 4 cents a pound. I got $1.80. And then I got aluminum old sheet, 34 cents a pound. Had 44 pounds of that, $14.96. Copper, I had 1 pound, $1.70. Insulated copper wire, I had 15 pounds of that at $7.50. The light iron, I mean, I got paid $4. So for the light iron, I got paid $4, and then I got paid $3 for 700. You know, so I had 720 pounds of light iron, and they rounded it off. They took 20 pounds and just rounded it off to their benefit and gave me $21 for a total of $63.56. I had the condenser coil. They wouldn't take it, so I had to go to another scrapyard in Rahway, Fortune Metal. That was 25 pounds at 10 cents a pound, and that paid $2.50. So here's all the money that I made. And you know, that place in Plainfield is a big disappointment. Paying the $3 for the light iron, but it was 63, so I probably could have made an extra $10, $15 if I went to Rahway. But I just had too much weight. I didn't want to drive the extra 10 miles with all that weight in the car. So if I would have went to Rahway, I probably would have made an extra $15, maybe $20, between the light iron and what they paid for the copper, the coils, and all of that stuff. But you know, I had maybe 1,000 pounds in my truck, so driving 10 miles to dump that for an extra $10, $15, I could have got a flat tire, could have broken act, you know, who knows. So it was better just to get rid of it at the time. But I probably won't be going back to the place in Plainfield, or I'm going to call them up and ask them what the rate is, because I don't see why they gave me $3 a pound. Then again, I gave them that washing machine with that huge brick in it, and there was a lot of plastic, the drills, and you know, so maybe they saw that and they told the lady at the window, give them $3 a pound. So thanks for coming on the scrap run with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace out. That treadmill was pretty good. It was pretty good. There was a lot of good copper in there, a lot of good aluminum in it. I'm glad I took it apart and I micro scrapped that. There was that huge board in it. So if I would have took it to that place for $3, 100 pounds, I probably would have made $6 on it. So all the money was in that breaking down that treadmill and the wash machine. That's where the money was. You know, it was like an extra $35, $40 for the copper and all that stuff. So thanks for watching.